So today I'm making an Eton mess with cherries, passion fruit, double cream, 300 mils, and meringue. I'm going to scoop out the seeds from the passion fruit, take the stones out of the cherries, crumble the meringue, whip the cream until it's quite stiff, and then we're ready to rock and roll. So we've got the cherries and the passion fruit pulp in one bowl, the double cream which has been whipped into another bowl, and the crushed meringue. Now the one golden rule with an Eton mess is you don't mix them together until you're ready to serve them up, because if you put the meringues in there now and you serve them up say in a few hours time, that meringue will disappear, it will dissolve, and you won't be able to know it's there. So you'd miss out on the nice crunch. So just before serving, we've mixed everything together. So there you go, cherry and passion fruit Eton mess. Absolutely delicious. Can't wait to tuck into this.